Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Groww with TradingView in 2026. First of all, open any web browser on your PC or laptop. You can also follow the same steps using the TradingView mobile application. If you're on a computer, simply go to tradingview.com. Once the website opens, launch any stock chart. The specific chart doesn't matter, we just need access to the trading panel, which is located in the bottom left corner of the screen. Now, click on the Trading Panel option. This will display a list of brokers that can be connected directly to your TradingView account. Since we want to connect Groww, click on the search icon in the top right corner and type Groww. As you can see, nothing appears and it shows Nothing Found. This means Groww cannot be directly connected to TradingView at the moment. So, what's the solution? Simply open Groww.in in a new tab. Click on Login, Sign Up in the top right corner, and sign in using your Groww account credentials. Once your Groww dashboard opens, you can use TradingView for technical analysis and charting. Whenever you want to place a trade, switch back to Groww's platform and place your order directly from there. This is how you can effectively use Groww and TradingView together in 2026, even without direct integration. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.